Hi viewers, what's up? This is Mohammad Sajidz and you watching Sajid's Take. So here in this video, I'm going to talking with about Instagram QR code scanner by which you can find any friends easily. Suppose your friends say that search me like Sajid's Take. Whenever you search it, you can't find this. This is his Instagram account. So in this case, you can share this Instagram your profile QR code and by which they scan it and they get it easily. So what's that trick to know about that? You need to watch this video from the first to the last. Before starting that, our request, if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, to get this, first of all you need to go to this Google Play Store, and from here you need to search your Instagram, and from here you need to update your Instagram. After that you need to open your Instagram for the first time, and here you are there. This is our Instagram, my profile. So from here go to in this three dot, go to on this QR code, and here you will get your QR code from here. So here from you can also add it as a color, emoji, or your selfie from here. So if you click on this selfie, so from here you can take your selfie from here. So this is my here, and you can add your selfie by just clicking here, and here you can also see it. So from here, whenever you click this, it will change your color, and now after that here you need to share this with your friends with whom you want to share your profile. Now click on this share, and from here you need to go to on this chats, and from here guys you can see that this is my account. I want to share this with this specific person from here, and here guys we're there, you can see it's already sent, and here I've already get this QR code here. Now let's do it to scan this profile with this. So before that, here I have to do, this is the thing that here I need to change this ID so that it will be effectively do it. Now from here go to in your QR code scanner. If you don't have any QR code scanner at that time, you can also download this QR code scanner from your Google Play Store, and here you can see it. I'll also give you that link in the description below so that from here you can also scan it. So now after that you can open this QR code from here to open it, and here guys you can see it. This is the profile, so by which now you can also follow it if you don't have follow them. And here guys, this is the thing by which now you can also find your friend easily, and you can also create your own entity with them. So here guys, this is the thing what's about this, by which now you can also create your own QR code scanner for yourself. And here guys, if you can easily create your own QR code scanner for your Instagram account, that time I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.